go and go have fun, but not drink too much rum. No way, no way. Yeah, yeah. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so are you tasty? If it's a meteor, Pabana Posti. I want a Henkai FM 93.3. Be easy.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Radio Papa.
Christmas come only once a year, so they say. So have no fear, just go and go have fun, but not drink too much rum. Hey. Yeah, yeah. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.
Have a blessed day.
So have no fear, just go and go have fun, but not drink too much rum.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, yeah.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
But don't call me Chris Kringle.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so are you tasty? It's a meteor, Pabana Posti. I want a Henkai FM 93.3. Be easy.
On this way, over the fields we go. of course, we're giving you the feel of Christmas. And yes, indeed, overthinking kills happiness. So what are you thinking about? Alright, so beautiful Tuesday morning. Of course, we're here live on the radio. My name is Jenny Mechampon Boatin Cosmos, as usual. That's right. It's a show produced by Nanato Pan here, the first acoustic the party was on here by and also my man DJ Shabo behind the 1 and 2. We here. Yes, we're back on your radio. Tuesday morning. How are you all doing? If you speak English, I hope you're doing good, yeah. Right, so if you speak at the 10, if you speak for F1, if you speak break me boy to me, I was there. If you speak fra what the grushi kwete. If you speak Inzima chord, yeah. I find you me patch on today. 24 minutes past the hour. It will be a call by the Bahinkan 93.3 FM. So your friend me Jenny Mechampon Boatin Cosmos. Over to me friend me Jibro Zamani. Over to me friend me Kobina Costi. Now a brand part the perfect gentleman. I tell me no me no. And you ha cause he said non do bebo. Now for my sorry. I'm on the prem to be Cassia one so the abrel. News at all. They the abrel.
Christmas songs done in a rain.
Not Bronya. Full net to say. And now 7th December. And then 1 year pepper. Sad time and I'm in Nelson the iron Kayami and San Juan of ya. 7th December na Kayami and San Juan of ya. No biako. Mom got to about to. Mom call reporting, so call reporting. Yeah. Of course, you had the problem. Friend say, because so koto na kwani shabon bi mu friend kura wunya no. I'm na kompa. And then a 4 more for one and another na koso. Na mahama na so koso. Na PPP for yes you jirem. E kwa don ko yes you jirem. Mure fi guma na gum yes you jirem. Oh my days. And then the 1 year Now Endra sit down demonstration of course so one crime mountain wall rubber for no. It's a no poya tifu also. Me check here first na 15 pesos. Me sa check be me say 2 cities. Me patch almost san check be mama. Ya tifu one also saying. Oh, I love Ghana. When you say Ghana is the reason why we are seeing and say meaning so you aware there, but I can't show. Ghana is the reason why we are seeing and say that. Because so call have here TV channel be or friend Ghana TV. And then I bought for the Yankopon when you almost share. No master because Chrome hired the papa. Then I miss Ghana is here and that's what serious is here. Ghana TV, Omunyan should be. And some me catch no crane me catch we say and said that guarantee. Share with ya unya mre na bompire. Aya busa bofo say Ghana TV no hu ne say. Unya mre na say bompire busa bofo say Ghana TV. Omu Ghana TV say we heaven. E so fe no. Ghana TV e so de no. Bibia bi wo. Na me so be say we as say ya Ghana TV wo hoy embaso. Right, so 27 minutes past the hour. That was just by the way. I'll bring you my motivational message, our famous birthdays, and what have you. I promise you lots of excited this morning here on this particular frequency 93.3 FM. I'm in cheer my taxi drivers. Stagger one. I don't pay me chow. Me this year I don't pay me chow. Brad David, I don't pay good morning. Raouf me chow a Pasco. And I'll say good morning, Cassia Pan and Coma. My only brother, Bright Weezy.
Christmas songs done in a reggae.
Hello, baby Joby, I will feel the 93.3 FM.
Jingle,
So, Maketa, good morning. Mami Akuyavakas, good morning. Wherever you are, baby, I will tell you free. I be patch also with all your gods. With all pure water. What's your store? Good morning. Bronyana Nisa. Ana Shabo today. At the Bronyana. Oh. Shabo say Bronya, Mammy come baby, I'm in Mediwa Benji. I love to see Debbie. Debbie, you be free. Jingle bells,
jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to play Christmas songs done in a reggae. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun
right, so reggae version of Jingle Bells. Uyani baby, I just happened 93.3 FM. Oh, I check a shit. Oh, I got some baby as what's it? Jingle Bell reggae da. I just saw him kind of FM. Only one coming across the show. Bragging rights now, so called people. And they ever call this say, Shabo give me last Christmas.
jingle all the way.
Yeah, me per se then bring no. Your mama feel Christmas no. Feel the kakra. What I say? The Abankwamo is really working this morning. You know. What else can I say? What else can I do? Abankwamo, good morning. All right, so give you last Christmas.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten, twice shy. I kept my distance, but you still caught my eye. Tell me, baby, do you still recognize me? It's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you and I meant it. Now
Alright, so in case you just tune in,
I've been
Wasugu South here in 93.3 FM.
now I know
Right, what's my journey live on Facebook?
again.
And then so I'm looking up can courtesy Mr. Orbin.
You my heart,
Mr. Orbin up on my show me say come up. Alright, so join me live on Facebook, but share my one Mr. Orbin Adaroma. They say about who chroma me patch who be di bro nya pa na patade a ho be fe de no and Mr. Orbin you try the free advert. Because what pama ma share. Alright, 0594841044. I wouldn't be the birthday and they want me to reach them for you. Just send them through. Yes, and bra, making kind of man. I say, Facebook. I can kind 93.3 FM on Facebook. And and I promise to read them. I promise to give them a live mention on radio. Right, so do your best and send them to 0594-841044. Right, so song of the background, Last Christmas, reggae version from Malone Click. Beautiful music. That's right. Hey.
Someone to rely on me. I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. Face of a lover with a fire in his heart. A man on the cover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, now I found real love. You'll never fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, and the very next day you gave it away. This year, save me from tears. I'll give it to someone else.
You see this song, anytime I listen to this song, I'm like, I go yet say, I come on, not throw you here. That's Alright, so what he's trying to say in the song is, so last Christmas I gave you my heart. The very next day you gave it to someone else. But this year, to save all, like to save myself from broken hearts or to save myself from tears, I'm giving it to a special person this time around. And I'm like, whoa, Malone, for real? Like, what if it came in your mind? Don't try you anything about dream. I better bring the song back. Alright, so this is a song from Atopahin. Atopahin is a member new way and farmer. Antima Gibano. So last year, Atopahin gave his house to you at Nakoma, but why would you say, over my Susan, Bema, Tia was this? On say, I say, Mamma, a mama one, Musugo. Oh, do Sugumus announced me at the point was swagging Antima Gibano.
Next day,
I the send away dope. One man is swagging one, I tried our car. So I see a new young bomb, Antima Gibano. Some of your friends say, Alifia. Let me be cross so yet there.
I gave you my heart, and the very next day,
I knew that me press Alifia, knew one quite me press mobile. This year, yeah, they are coming man there, Sidino, and I know.
I'll give it one special, once bitten.
Alright, so big shouts to my big brother. Kojo Dankwa, Game Gangster, bro. Good morning. I'm sure you can sometimes it feels so good. When your motivation from your big brother.
Doesn't surprise me.
What do you say?
Merry Christmas.
Kojo Dankwa, good morning. Game Gangster. Right, so let me give you my daily dose of motivations this morning. I'm Sean crying up pain. And I can't say. My daily dose of motivations is always brought to you by kind courtesy Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Alright, so Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. I'll say this time around over Waria. Look no further. Because by the photography, Papa I swear, videography. Baby, I fish a choir and talk with you. Last week, I fish quite from talk with you as yet. Photographer and some man, the Gianni and also in traffic channel. Hey, Papa, will be a year 3 hour column. A Gianni, Papa, and traffic channel. Now, the I asked through a crowd. On what me can ebusian for the yan or banning mecha. No, I got on ya and watch that flash on my lights. I say ebusian for yan in my Bemani mecha. Oh, no, my God, that was a flash on my. Ossie. University of Ghana, so or Bani Kolegon. University of Ghana for you, Mombra. No, when you are money. mo cosmate in jan no flash up mo crack. Saya se brado so yejuma o your company bi atakrade. O se e tadi for mo e mo nya mo okroma. Abi pa won cho mo mbra na won ya. I for kum be twa picture ne ade. Na tadi for nya so ba ne flash up mo crack. Sa kwa no. Wa fa ne ho adwen se nyanya wa nya ndi ti obe mafia ye fro be ma no. Oyo mu kisu etoy. When twa picture ba kokra. Na your point BTs pa. Sisi a oda kolebusi se a. Ye tia na ya sinya ma no. Me pa chopa. Ompe embarrassment we ya. Wako Color Studios and Negative Embroidery. Ono de no ya wa. Oba oni ne boys no mo. Oma boa mo ho. Oma me na ma ba de da. Oma na duane kra wa ma na kra obetwa mfoni. Ti say everybody photography, birthday photography, studio photography, picture frame, passport picture. Then na fa ko Color Studios and Negative Embroidery. Aba embroidery work no so a school crest, Lacoste. Ni na be ya embroidery da ma. A face star embroidery, cap embroidery. You see Ejuma channel and I'm quite sober. Colors are wash me boss ma minsro. Ejuma ne gune so na doso. Nya abotre. Nti Ejuma channel be recently and the way na be dia no. Ajibi say. Ebeba say kasa too much. Ti see akra men kasa bi me za. Be pa cho wachim. Other Liberty Transport opposite Knop Pharmacy, but my friend 0245 276638 0245 276638. Now we Color Studios and Negative Embroidery. It's one thing. They are called. Maybe again, why a guy am Nancy ya. And Nancy Yampo and Raya. And I'm in the Color Studio now. Okoye wife picture frame me pa. When I'm a man alive, I say, bro, Christian say be there. Oh say sometimes go for see me to ashada, bro nyano. I was wife so there. Oh heavy pa. It's the picture be no. The all my phone also no. My forward the man here nko kala na fe na me bra se no yawa. Any ya call yes is here ya cause surprise in bro nya fa ni mpie fa ni come be ni ka pre the picture that down. The picture that down ya fa ni come be ya ni ka pre. Bro ya be to ashada. All right, so let me give you my daily dose of motivations. If you keep doing what we are doing, we are going to get the same results. Yes, if you keep doing what you are doing, the same results now ubenya. What you say, you know? Fashion would see me pesa card here. Mama can hear not here. If you keep doing what you are doing, you are going to keep getting what you are getting always. Now, when you say you will never know your limits until you push yourself to them. Sometimes when you say they are over to me, until so be push you on harder, until so one kasa over challenge you who say. Nanka way na metumi aye ana ha nanka metumi apem. But I want to challenge myself. I was say me traha. Sometimes who nim say obetumi ayo. Sometimes who nim wo capabilities and to say who push you on harder. But with the be one way na. One star na. Result back on ansu na obenya san. I ask semu kakra. Obisa ya dynamic. Sometimes I ask semu kakra. Your own chameleon. Change your own kakra. Why we a check? Ochina semu. More now semu no more now we need different results. But if you keep doing one thing over and over and over and over again, over perfect there. Yes, we all understand and we all know say we are saying practice makes a man perfect. And at the end, we'll be practicing over 21 days. We are becomes a habit. And I'm not just any person be perfect on whatever he's doing. Yes, we know. But more now, oh yeah, dear back, oh yeah, yes, I know. The result is still the same. And sometimes challenge yourself. Say, my try way, son. Let me venture into this aspect and see. I mean, Rahana Mashadi. Obiad him 17 but I'll put them to shame. I have found to shame. I just say, you know. I dear Bako Sadi, yeah, but results Bako now being a fashion truth. Oh, I challenge you. I can also do this. Met to me, I challenge you. Because if we keep doing what we're doing, we are going to keep getting what we're getting. You'll never know your limits until you push yourself further to them. Right, so this is my daily dose of motivation. My daily dose of uncrunch. Right, so we are still in the Christmas thing, yeah. But Christmas, so be dear filia. Now was so holding. And holding so dear Joe. Immune booster and money penya holding. Immune booster. Many one casa maybe she have a bag money out there. One number brave. Immune booster there. Yeah. Pebinum. And not pay you number. Na sa oba no immune booster so anom papa nom do bi aja tu nom de agidi nom de aboa immune system no eno ani imboost herbal mixture the number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease. Michelle, look no further. For drugstore be as a pharmacy be I will say open imboost herbal mixture na pebinum sisia Mr. Robert my friend 0246 208-496 and that's 0540710113. Now our friend won't see not your baby amount. No one will be one time. Right, so this is something you've never experienced before, and even of legendary performance and music. On the 1st of January 2022, 3 big GH legends shall rock one stage. Right, so what am I talking about? This is the Cow Family Legends Night. Yes, indeed. 3 biggest GH legends. That's right. Shall rock one stage. And who are these legends am I talking about? You know, right? Right, so Charles Kojofosu, aka DL, Daddy Lumba. A young boy, a Branty Amachi today. And also, my favorite, the maestro, Mr. Music Man, Kojo Entry. And to watch, check a share. And conform me and savage in a stage you back as well. Yeah. Suele. Right, it's on the 1st of January. It's happening live at the Grand Arena, Accra International Conference Center. Exactly 7 p.m. sharp on your here. Yeah, I have my tickets already. Sheldon says this is a Streaming VVIP table reservation event. So as I always used to say, to avoid any yawa, to avoid mihuyanka, to avoid ashimio, to avoid to avoid me pa anya ta ba kuni bi o ta se on sanu ta wait foolish man sabo pa o hwemani Mrs. says na sa de so I say ta and na den date na hwemani masa ma menya adwuma me ba to friend 0200 220202 0200220202 and as I visited legends9gh.com and I said Coca Farm branch I was down someone and I said East Legon na Saturday day Jojai. Right, so this event is powered by Terra Vista. It's got to be a super event, trust me. Alright, so let's get into this proper Christmas. Feliz Navidad. That's right.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Right, Shabo 7 Chavan Chufonia Mano. And I say, Mamia Kiabakas. Feliz Navidad. Están tan felicidad. Hey, mama. Feliz Navidad. Right, so me kai pan say. Back in school, yes. Make kai pan. Back at start evangelism. And you were shut out through good bottles, so now you're cheremu. Once you are RME, exams over draw. Hey, a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Maybe I be so young, and them feel you. No be a try no ma try. What cost you that recorded? Was a much rogue board so. Betro. Na makatro se mni amatono. Teacher form pa. Adanya Aremi wa wen twano. Hwe. Sabo mi se ubetimenya objectives na from question 1 to 50 A and B near the end so ubetima choose. But over section B na first question compulsory or say answer na ya catch yourself throw the lyrics of Feliz Navidad. Sakasa I think say Spanish or say Latino. Papa me tigana ha me a chini who say me be throw Latin maka throw say me amatonyo me feli we have never throw. I have no idea what's my body drawing crowd to harm out. Mentonom. Mentonom. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Hey, oh boy. Me feel grand. Right, so as part of commemorating activities to climb as our 1 year anniversary, I can 5 on 25th December 2021 when back on anniversary walk. The projected 1,000 of each cherished listeners while we premiere in the evening some notable events and taking as part of our corporate social responsibilities. And the channel to say anyone never call. Yes, the patrol float to know. I can't at one walk on the day. Yeah, no one ever call. Yeah, didn't pump 1,000 and never call. It's Mr. Making sure somebody are part of us. When you buy a new t-shirt, my catch already said. I say we make kind of channel. Mami sense subako bi. Mami sense subako. I'm saying Kofaka se mrefi me kai pa. And I 7 and China 25 ba. Na ye be kwa de na. Ye be ko float no. Me pa to tie. Oba ha na oba new t-shirts. Yes, oba ha wa be den. Na wa ba beji u t-shirts. Obaha no ma bra na beji u t-shirts. So what we will do is anopana ubashe o leggings. Atopana is kind of leggings. Hey, I call you Prempeh College man what kind leggings. It's ube druga no man. Na ya de u t-shirt na ya de. That's right. Me patro se wo ye oba. O te sa kosua de padumas. O te sa che. Now to say barista. What is a sanko for me? What was squad number one? Omuni to me pacho. Squad my boni. Oh, t-shirts no they never turn and sand free on near the t-shirts nanga sama. But what to say? I drop brony. Fiam pofwa. One view. Root. And I root grand to shen grand. Aha, this a what be pa. Me pacho ba be hu me mama atade ni mienu. Wo be hu me mama atade ni mienu. Wo ye heavy pa divu se nyoma jirebo pa. Mama mienu. Ba kro man ko for taxes trust me. What to say fia bi mu se mama miensa. What to sa ko so de podumas ne ba resta dia. Meti atade ni se ne free ho. Ameni atade ne sa dia ma. Pepper Chopper Sound sponsor program for 0244-878-763. 0244-878-763. So last week Friday night holiday. And in a month, freaky funky no. This Friday they do it. And at the point I call Kobe Yada. Massa over Solipio. O Kobe Yana say. What's the friend gonna say? Alafia. Massa, Alafia Tawa Koma over Pepe Kodao. Sole akoda sole koda ya suma na wo be ma tietia akofo ba tete uhu hwe ye be ku ye be twa koma wo be wu se be sieu esio so be no ma peteshi ato pa hi wo di e be fa pa o ko be ka da chira mochi ada ya ba tma koma ye be bu rough den na de ba he ato pa hi bra ha krachi then the man over Asamandua. If I try laugh at some Makoma, my young one, you be bull of rough. Sadana comes to me with a booby no masaba. So when you're serious, Bravo. Right, freaking fucking Friday. I must have a Friday be between 9 to 11. So make a date. It's my man DJ Thozik all the way from Peace FM. Show produced by my man Brannessin and myself. I'm Branton for the perfect gentleman. Hey. I'm in co-break him, Rasabu young come round. I come by next Tuesday. Yeah, enough for young Bashom Kakra. Stick and stay go nowhere. 93.3 FM. From a copy of Costi. The bus is here.
Screening. I'm a J Herbal Clinic. I say, can who be a mo? I'm a J Herbal.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Eja minta adwuma
meje so bro opening kwantabisa
eja we de anya mani son na anya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu omade video kafukafu abomaki a mo petepete mkoko yisu ene na su biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu yagu koko yisu agu nanso de bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko yisu afa
eya ben wunua na metensempa maka bia kyerɛw na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no one di abebesere no kure wo mni se enura wodo e wodwa so no nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na afanyonko entizesi a omukɔ nakra na entize wugu pɛ enye omo hwe na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ne din ne akate ken
de wo kan ye nokre sanse entesa enka emma ne seida
akate ken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duro din ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board nso agiatum
akate ken wa mama koma Tommy
okuani bi a opese obo no koko ho ban no wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi binto akateken eye koko nrumu nyina hene Rainbow Agro Sciences na die badwa so babia yeto okuaye wonro bia wobenya bia to ho so open dudu matua fra homa yi 0240897074 ana 0243639920 akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ne akatensem
Anobites ye drobi ana misisipa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na etwetweme pa na mu hyehyeme se de nyame adom nyina agyan
madro no aboa me papa na lene me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom one bottle si say me no yiri da be 30 minutes ntumado no de eyepa san fabra mo
me din de ya mensa you to anobites ekono me ne kaso so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yere ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me ma me tumrika ekoto obi me no mo ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de do fa a se sisi ye ne ya to ya nso me no me ni nyina akọ me ka tre wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya do papa ebe boa na ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enura yu ko to bi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato e wo atemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato
GG Abusianfo girls no boys muntie B Plaza Hotel Saka no bi mo last year live banda or de be wo so wa chemo dan ne patam wo no afie nso wasa edeba Tunia shane so say entrance in area free enti de hia ne se obepeska kakra bia to botom adbetaduane ne nsa anom jack wo ba kai se wo do dofo beba no mabetie enwom papa live band enwom a esofo mo na pai sete enti anadwo no mo hwe na ye ya na mape one room ada dwetwo mo ho sa shane so biam se live band papa ya B Plaza Hotel de ba no gate no ye free ya nya wo hwe 24th and 25th December afie B Plaza Hotel ebeye gigim eti kai nation so say B Plaza Hotel achemu dan kwantanum Pentecost asafo no ene wo mudi enum hye gate no ye free ya nya wo hwe afie we B Plaza Hotel live band no rampo ebeye gigim jeje
oh my god yes wedding cooling and you know my any just some no bedu Frimpong Enterprise ejumera osibronyen o manaye odede minia we enye akrade o nanso no bibia obeto afri Frimpong Enterprise e free sabrain e de kopim se bronya ne betwam no wo de achede sonko kra ne bekofie ani anu de achinie bia ni ho se achem da ani ne mpotam ade wo pe supermall ani nioma bo edafam de a enu ani Frimpong Enterprise intisa yamo esitre milk detergents toiletries just provisions bia open no one sabeka na se wo ye engagement program bia wo ye no se wo hia ensa dokodoko de announce champagne communion wine ni nyina ye wholesale price se wo beto de of Frimpong Enterprise pampon nsem tight krolo sembia ni ho Frimpong Enterprise ejumera no money na chi anya yakwan wo achimodan or Mandarina Hotel on the Achimdan Station entrance no and ye ni mo hwe Samson and the drink depot no ewo Mandarina any PPP office abansoro no entamu pe oni ejumera enkasa wa homa iso 0244-897-525 0242-111-236 Frimpong Enterprise ana still ejumera wa deeper panache
hey when we send your police in your draw imbusaba mesa amama hoaden
refuse to grow any offense wa beka ho
ahoaden immune system wo nyankopon e de awura ni padua no musam moye ho ban no enna sa wonom imbusaba mesa e pagya immune system na bribia ya yare antimiu sese die amanfo dodo no a na di imbusaba mesa do ne ho adanse yesen enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese nka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban efri ho enna wo mpo a omu wanyarewa ne dada na omunum doctor enuro no enum imbusaba mesa no a emo ahoaden pintin ya wo munti mpo se yare ase omu ho imbusaba mesa ewo kansi ene o maimu babia yeto enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edro no enkratwe FDA asayase
Mido, asa na de fia e hwampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Banzo ne nansen kwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira potobidi ni nyina afiro. Na dia ba de na wo de ahohura potobidi isi.
Eye akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina eso ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medita wo. Eye JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won se uhu ana. Ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse akira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo panido so po mu atua. Wo benya bi e wo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima. No no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Me dofo na nso amudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesia.
Nana's Palace BP mo achibu da omo nya fi bako. Hooray! Anuti yani ahinka 93.3 FM e kabachiri mu edin Chelsea monyom. Live band music Eddie Abremo on the 11th December and 26th 27th December and also AM live band music and Chelsea monyom. Akoti brofo. Odofo kayo se ono odofo na mepie mu e wo dwumadie na se. Na aye adofo me ba bepie mu no. Enipo makomako 20 ye mamoduane ni se free.
Hey sir, ne prebe ne be koso.
Aye 8 o'clock PM anwumre bia. Odofo shia yen e wo kane Tumasi restaurant wo enei ye friend on Nana's Palace.
Na me ba aduane be na menya adi.
Ope fufuo, benku, emo, kokonte, anase mutuo. Se ope jollof ana fried rice so a ni nyina ye ma obi e wo ho. Afei enamu bia, ope bia, obenya e wo Nana's Palace. Enoti Shia Hinkai 93.3 FM phone nyina e na afei MC Rabi, MC Fico. Afie bro nya idea. Ye naina.
People of Odan, are you ready? Samikisi Ministry presents the maiden edition of my Thanksgiving experience. Team Edajumedia Iso. Let us come before his presence with thanksgiving. Psalms 95 verse 2. Onyakopon aye bebramaye. 22nd of January 2022. Aye kwasiada edi kan wa finimu bra. Na ya fa nyankopon aseda emanon. Abusua nyonto fomebre ene Edajumedia yase. Minister Steve, Minister Ochre, Eva Chewa, Ohima Esther, Ngosha Bismarck, Ishaba Prince, Elder Patrick Amwakong, Anna Afwe, the Gospel Diva, PSA Esther. And the part Jumedia Etsy Nanso, Same Kisi, Jumedia Ebabaso, our CAC, Akemodan Newtown, I watch Jamaica, Ebashasi, 5:30 PM on the dot. Naya Shebi Biase, Wamama saw Jumedia Nasi, LB Amwafu, Big Sounds, Phones and Accessories, Digress Bakery, Royal Brand House Ghana, Frosty Bite, Media Sponsors, Ahinkai FM, Ophia FM, Berkando Photography, Unique Photography, Joe Stanton Photography, Fiasika Photography, Nyakopon Ayebe Bramayen, Etibra, Naya Fana Seda, Emano.
Now what to say? Adama West African for asa Kenya wo hubio. Edi trivo, edra, ekuma ate, akate, koko ntontom. Ene mo ahodoa edi koko nya, ne se koko abre kuafo.
Menu ya jai adansi ya koko kuafo di for trivo ho nya agro. Kuafo nyina e bose kire se. Trivo kumwa ane sa. E ma koko no ho tono na asan asodoso. Enti ama koko kuafo botom ayede.
Na nika sam ne se, yemfa trivo bebre. Kakra bi, wodi atwa 10 miles. Nefa go moto buru no mu na fele nefa bo koko no bosome bia
trivo kum koko muamu no se kum nkosua nyina na eye adwuma basahare so se so bo trivo a woni hawo ewo koko mu kura
guys say koko board for ahwehwem age atum se trivo eye do papa ye de kum koko muamu nyina so obi pe bi ato a onko agrochemical shop bia e ben no nchen na so open dodo atu aton so a onfre Adama West African for ewo 0544 343532 and 0544 348821 and 0544 325030.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Shawaedo. No, what's a bonapon? Come go fake data.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Pastor Donzi, and I bring you greetings from the Church of Christ.
So one more then, what friend Pastor Donzi, our hammer one now.
This is the day, a new day the Lord has made. Let us be glad and believe in Him. Lord, we thank you for goodness, we thank you for mercies and for giving us beyond what we deserve. We thank you for goodness, we thank you for mercies and for giving us beyond what we deserve. Father, as we stand before you, strengthen our heart and light our path like a beam.
Ayo, asa no stone by Baba singing my for 1 million.
Onyame saye yi, osaye yi tinu metunyo. Aye yum, osaye yi tinu metunyo. Sabi share my brother good my onyame ya mami. Motunyo na me yi radia ye. Mama yentuna. When he be wa mama ye be wa mama ye be wa mama. Nya pensha su yesu wa mama. Sabi share my brother good my onyame ya mami. Motunyo na me yi radia ye.
God, we pray for Ghana, just as we paid for Israel. Make us great and strong.
First party in the Israel.
We deeply need strong leaders to build a nation to help us solve the problems we face. Psalm 33 verse 12. Blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord. So, Christ-like in your neighbor.
I said
be Christ-like in your neighbor.
The
mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Joe, Charlie Radio is why you tasty. It's a meeting up in a positive. I want a Henkai FM 93.3.
I remember back in Germany.
I saw your member was only doing with Germany.
In US, somewhere New Jersey.
Beautiful, I've been New Jersey.
I've been to Somalia, Uganda, Liberia, but now I'm back. Home sweet home.
I saw walk for Somalia, Uganda, Liberia, home with the bad.
God has been good to me. He can be good to you. So give yourself to Him. Let Him use you. Be your brother's keeper. Have a good heart. Be a cheerful giver.
Julius Caesar.
Yes, extend the helping hand to the less privileged, the street children and the orphans.
I try my family now with the one village to what you see to my wash and one fan. Now your fans.
Who knows? Nobody knows. Only God knows.
Also, I am one and a winner. On your piano, you know. I am one and yeah, so for the cheap. We're going to no collection.
Yeah, before we take the offering, let's show some love to our women's fellowship from Virginia.
Women's fellowship, but
yes,
babes. No, so for no.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
Joe, Charlie Radio is why you tasty. It's a meeting up in a positive. I want a Henkai FM 93.3.
Minim, my Barbara Pamunja na mintimode. Ohia, Yawana Kwasitufo, and yet you open Nameso.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Pascaline, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costi.
I miss me Buntoya, my brand I mean, no Munana, my mommy. I'm in me, Munana, my mommy. fuku jina kwa yubufo. Maybe I say my own sassy for me share. A hona obe unso nyame yodo. E man me yai. Ain't na mabo more than a menya me kakra wate. Ibi anye hu. Unipa no ye. Tinene mo beria ma mene mo afe. Nipa. Misube wu. Akwa nkwa mete ma bobo wa. Seni ya mi jimi bunto ya. Ma brena menya ntinu munya na me mo me kwa. Munya me na me mo munya ye. Na viase so me beji dan ya. Nkwa me. Debi nipa o baby munya na me mo me kwa. Say I'm a saka, say I'm a vina, say I'm a mea. Oh 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 oh. Munya na me mo me kwa.
Sa chire nipa. Nembo majin soche. Sabi ya kwala kwenye sika. Openini tufu waposa ninto. Benini diamanti. Timida sumi china manengu. Yamaka no sa ubefa. Debi na ube usefa suwa suo.
Efe mo baby ase bebre. Bimusu binyane fala. Uhieni bakwa me pepra. E komfita sisi kempo wadakra. Odi biase mo ya senkaka. Ode kompa ibu munsu awunsaka. Yeah, wo di Jamie wo body. Fa Jamie wo butum na sesa wo danta. Cause ne biase wuni bia wo sempa. Je wo je drug wa denta. Wish ya me na range ne kura mi ajo.
My brain na me nyanti no munya na me mo me club.
Mama me papi me juice. My brain ma me paki me juice.
I'm in the club.
Oh yeah yeah yeah. Kanena bibi awa da. Mama me paki me juice. My brain ma me paki me juice.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Pablo Question.
Abante manada ke ma mesima. Mishala she be na me fro so winjina. Wa kuma fe na techede me ya membuna. Na winsemba reason na de wiye de djuma. O paibo, o de dade ku echima. O tetema, tema fa he nti bu ne metema. Ne ma me pama de ne papa su kura poma. Enye se me ne je ho me po bi asoma. Asha woni na bra bo de yen konkon a je sampai perfume rice won je noa. Betema bobo ano, me ne bi nti mamu a ono no jama bakari. Eh bi ne patakon a. Asasi bra de bia mo na mo reni ama mo pa pi via mo se nyamu atofia kwa azonto bia men sakane de nyame ama de ho kwaki ma otoso 5 de bianka. Ojuko na jona mapura kura. Ifige juma na bidu fia. Isi oto bi aba. Adesa na yetu puma. Yo, na no si wasa champagne. Fire azonto still I go maintain. Ha, I bet shoot this campaign. The do be no, your jai complain.
It's the way you did be my speckle. This girl could they kill me.
Money no be problem.
When I see about the mess so, baby why you they do me so? She they mash up my head oh. This girl go they make her go colo. Hey, the way you did be my speckle. This girl could they kill me.
It's been a long time since I saw Millicent, but she will always be my number one chick. Cause I put a mini bow, no one on the team. I say, Charlie EL, go back out. Take a hook up in Manapa. If it's an abudi, sing a suja for so far. Then time penny pin. If it's an America, and so one of the fan of who Mamma Buatupa, but here whoa. For that government die, and you will see the view, which you become on a cry. But you go to the figure when they were carbon flexing. And the baby don't have any and until they didn't be the shade. At the Chile fear, what about last year, and in the new year, Abu Jimmy Millicent, if the new defeat, I'm a tidy diagro, as they were banning. Now, what I don't have a pura. If you get you man up to fear, it's your two give ya bar. And this under your two puma. Yo, now this was a champagne. I have still I go maintain. I bet shoot this campaign. The group be no, your jai complain. You know what time it is.
The way you did be my speckle. This girl could they kill me you. When I see about the mess so, baby why you they do me so? She they mash up my head oh. This girl go they make her go colo. Hey, the way you did be my speckle. This girl could they kill me you, kill me you.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Pablo Question.
Tell them, hey, tell them. The way my mouth come this morning, so my baby. Obedi azamai. Menra send and confirm super sack or they want to tapa. May your sure send the phone with that to baby. Right, confirm the woman. Oh, now by an anatoaso. And I said, do so any fleshy man and my boss. I'm from a one and chairman anatoaso. Oh, and that now, Nasma Baun can be. What about Drahaba Traze and then confirm super sack or yes, Sammy would jot the phone too, baby cry. Hey, turn up, that's right. Alright, so 20 minutes past the 11, I think 93.3 FM. What was the Yanko Pondi and Quache? Seven Yanko Pondi and Quache and Senia. And Nigenia the idea. Yet Tim Communia the Yanko Ponada Roma. Yabobon from money be free. Yanchiaka. Yahumi free. Yanchiaka. Yakodakra yang bompire. Naya san Hannah's bodyguard no kutuya so. No boy hovan. Free Yanchiaka. Na u security benye. Mosome ya mane kapre. Ezo still a boy hovan. Na me ya guy pa. But you won't say Yankopon bon hoban. I Yankopon had on the 2nd of January. Yenisika betimi de atwa Yenisha betimi de dadanase. Na daroma. Ana adifefe nya yehu. I am running the Yankopon. Let us come to his presence with thanksgiving. So what am I talking about? My Thanksgiving experience that happened on the 2nd of January, first Sunday. I feel 2022 Ekosimuno. Samiki C Ministry. And the my Thanksgiving experience ever. That happened live. It was CAC Newtown, Jamaica. Performing artist Minister Steve, Eva Trewa, Minister Autry, Ohima Esther, Engostra Bismarck, Shaba Prince, Elder Patrick Amwakwana for PSCA Esther. And you're free and Jessica. If I try Abra. Amaje Herbal Clinic. Our Kemodan. Ultra modern scar machine. Yeni Yaba. And Tibrana Yambow, Nayan Shaya Ranket and Gitiba Koshaw kidney nimu. We live Animunia Denya to us and Famao. Infertility, typhoid, ulcer, prostate enlargement, kidney problem, menstrual problem, Nina able to us here. Gonorrhea able to us here. You're watching what Amaje Herbal Clinic, our Red Cross Johnson. Gas filling station, Abang Kwamoha. Ohaniabo. Frey was 0244-877-840 and 0205-045-665. Amaje Herbal Clinic ana. Wayari Sefie. Asani Fanyina Enimba Kope. Anope Michia, my good morning. Let's on catch up upon was semi chow too. Alright, send your birthday, happy birthday, can see a pan come out. Send your birthday. Happy birthday. And come out. The Pame home message you have on Fundy but Marisha Mema Wakai. Why? Royce from Kwasi 930, Achim sending my greetings goes to Nana Buadu of Achim of the Presbyterian Church, Emmanuel Congregation, and also to Mr. Yebua Taylor of Enyinemu Kotoku. I wish them Merry Christmas in Jesus' name. Amen. Well, this one says good morning. Costi Salome of Van Pentecost. And a big shout to Mami Ekia. Good morning. I'll probably kind message you, Mami. Monje phone, mother, Mami. Message me, Minty, I say, kind Mami. What's now, kind. Why ready? What's the mean, Candy?
Mete one capa.
Can message na maybe a mono.
Okay.
We are one man for phone this table, mommy.
Remember my number.
There be no man there send message. My funny dear, Baba, me say, or someone problem I don't pay.
Okay. Hi, good morning, dear. Please, how are you doing? Cosmos. I want to come to visit after your work around 6 p.m. Should I come or will I meet you there?
But na man go fund this step, you know.
0249.
Me problem ya.
Mami boy 0249. 992. 376.
The suspect say a bear man I should I say. Me ba chomo friend on this step, you know. Monte in the life. Mopa mon printing na man bobu bokro. Na mon tro workers needed. Monte in na bravo man. All right, so Mohammed Chambers is a lawyer, diplomat, politician, and also academic from Ghana who has served as an international civil servant since 2006. He is currently the United Nations Special Representative of the Secretary of General for West Africa and also the Social. And of course, he is the head of UNIWAT as well. Previously, he served as the UNSRSG and the head of the joint UNAU peacekeeping mission in Dufa. Alright, so today happens to be Mohammed Ibn Chambers and your birthday. And that's your Papa Christy birthday. Right there, your birthday be a happy birthday. And confirm out. Tell them. Bronya. Now say any party so okay a player be any kwan say wo akoma almost player dey wo akoma on kofa enchana ubuofu enkofo say wo yesa on kofa and then na me wo fasi bi me sika me wonya ba hye ni mu Obobo pamba oni akoma. Ono aya striker. But defender wo Jimmy obe twa wase agu. Na me woni video. Na mamu da to Facebook sisi anu ahwe. Na waka kire me se me offers na kofa na on kofa. Na koma ne de enye. Obe bu na sisi a. Hey. Alright, so Kwaku Destiny, Density, sorry. Or see yo, senior, doing great work. DJ Density, forget you'll be a vase. I'm Stagger GH as a movie. Hey. Eba Chobra Facebook is here and I'm show video. Yeah, so join us live on Facebook. Maybe show me what fast in the video. Now, mona mobre story bibi nim samatia. Mona mobre wa begi wa dan krom ha na Nyankopon do. We find the con cram in the core happening at the end and say obey a comma. By Rami who story you baby say mona mobre say. She say you okay, well you fine. But he's still begging on the street of Accra. And I was said so what is the difference between begging or dying begging in Accra? Binya is not begging. So Eva. Right, person join me live on Facebook this year. I want to show you my nephew's video. Oh, bobo pa. But don't hear come. And go for say we are so the bobo na oni akoma on kofa. Of the sana Kevin Prince Watson na koma sa oni na baby. You see Junior go sana service odi wuye. Bimu se Sulemun Tali so akoma sa. Bimu se Balotelli so akoma sa. Ba boa me offer no boa. Akola ketwa 8 years. Obebu sisi. Chala you ready and video not ready. Are you ready? Yankwana. Fato so mami. Aha, the pa TV is more fast no. Ono sha white o atade no. Oya strike out. But we Usha. Yeah. Oh.
Where ya Cantera? Where ya can
Ko chica cra.
Baby, kwabna. Where no offer Sibia.
Oh, mama sana. Here no. Yeah. O try you za hedo eh. What fast you dey eh? Ne bufu dey obo ah. Yeah. O try you za. O try aha. Ahoma so 24/7. Ni Jessica kraka mi. Bra Facebook is here help me what fast. Oh yeah, striker but defender oh you be boo ne. Oh no na come to me say Usha. Oh she 10 years is wo. Oh she he na ta de kakraka mi. This bra Facebook is here. Tell them. Yang kanchira wanza. This is bra Facebook is here.
Visa V, Rabbi and Soshan Kamumujasi, and no Kura Witina, and Kamemaupi, Damina A, me whom Famia B, what the woman maintained as a Pemba, Unyam Boko, who was Subempa, Minyaga, you was a Fenedenta, Wanda, was so one who Penesa, Voice I blown to Munyamo Franca, Fabulas Busso, Afenesanka, when no one Bampi, and I would do with Sika, and I would Jow Janka, Kenejima, Semisika, now one Pamedia Quay, Mama Home, Pamela Fadango Tay, who's in the routine, and I will Fedia Toy, men Pamela, Dama with me toy. Get me what I may I didn't press so that they sit there, give me the draw that, give me the near who to the Yabish road, and high time. I just say, go so now. Won't do it in Shade. What a sort of I won't pass it. It could have be party. Would it be a problem? No one dance it. You forgive chance, for instance. Start a minimum got to choose certain time. What in the vampire to solve the one pint. Some of the doors on if you get my pant time. Check your boat beats for the MOG. The medium gonna be showy. I never go away that be good. And I never made a good. Stop in the minute to a trap, yeah. Minute we are the one, yeah. Something every day you will be out, yeah. I'm gonna never need the trap, yeah. Every day is a trap, yeah. Every day you will be out, yeah. Never give me when the price, yeah. Never made a dog, yeah.
I'll call you 419 over there. Oh, 7 account, rap with everything, yeah. 419 man.
As a one of pair, Mamuni Muadin, Mufasa Pemona Mupuma drinking, you said that better major, Sabuni Maswardin, Maja like a couple.
Coded is also soon 419, you will be you. Coded, a low part of aqua. Started, coded, a low part of aqua. Coded, they can be oh, part of me, minimum casting coded. Alex, there you are there, Alexander again. Hey, where the other part of coded? Saturday, I'm here. Mamma, stop, I'm in coded. I'm in coded. What's that? Minamentiana, I'll lick it in the Gandan there, mana. Where the other part was. told that ready a 419 part of Tell them I'm telling you, say, bro. But I like it in Gadangan down in the Obwa cry, a patwa. Ah, now was a patwa. With a patwa. I cost you the body once. You see, Fed already. And a bro, you see, when she yet deno. When she was saying, yes, when she had the demonstration, Jeruba for 1 month. Hey, Namundi di Munda.
Timunyemo Franca, so after Sanka, when you were back here, I would do with Sicilian, I would joust a janka, Kenejima, Semisika, now won't permit the acquaint. Mama won't come over for Dango Tay, who's a routine, I will for the acquaint. Men from a last time I walk with me toy. Get me what I may have did the press soldier. They sit there, give me the draw that, give me the near who to the Yabba Show Palm and high time. I just say, go so now. Won't do it in Shade. Whoop a sort and I won't pass it. It could have be party. Would it be a power no one won't dance it? You forgive chance, for instance. Start a minimum mono got to choose certain time. What in the vampire to solve the 1 point. Some of the doors on if you have a fun time. Get your more beats for the MOG. The medium gonna be showy. I never go away with a big dude. And I never made a big dude. Stop in the minute to a trap. Minute we are the one idea. The minute you will be idea. Could I never did it idea? Every day is a copy. Every day you will be idea. Never give me when the grass, yeah. Never get it idea.
Peace FM, move on rotating.
Peace FM 104.3. Peace FM 104.3. Kana first kind.
Abroad FM, move from rotating.
99.3.
Come on,
103. Kase 93.3.
Point.
Abozege
FM.
Abozege FM.
Abozege FM.
Aha. Abozege
FM.
Abozege FM.
Abozege FM.
Aha. Kase Abozege FM.
Abozege.
Abozege
FM.
Abozege FM.
Abozege FM.
Aha. Kase Abozege FM.
Abozege.
Kase Peace FM.
Peace FM. Move on rotating.
Peace FM 104.3. Ka. Peace FM 104.3. Kana first kind.
Abroad FM, move from rotating.
99.3.
Come on,
103. Kase 93.3.
Point.
Chamo most melody I kind. B-O-R D. Yanko. Right, so my mate on Facebook says Move. Akosia de Padumas.
Kwabena Costi.
Akosia de Padumas.
Kwabena Costi.
Menkwam Akosia de Padumas.
Kwabena Costi efo gbotogbe. Asemabo.
Brada Simbiaba. What? Brada Simbiaba. Castro. D Black. Brazil.
At the Pachamo, I can just say, Bronya, uni how.
I don't remember day.
Or do be pure basa.
There was on the shadow pa. Now, ya can't say, what I see a boy. I feel I shake my head in you. I can't do what the triple papa.
And yes, I'm one of them. There be now defend that you win a bar. There
be
Bokon and Boko.
And there's Sulamon Taris, a yiddy bit of Yanana.
My catcher is the Mississippi Yaba Shenim. Ochayoza eh kasa ahoma 24/7
wama di mu ne ho referee kura team show card me say won face na wo ye no kwabla wo ye referee wo hwe nanim a won show ne card
yeah obi busa sa den hwe won feel kura
no so
sorry there be o mentias na defender when your bank agbakwa
there be wo ko say
there be na wo da ye dem offer o bravo
Omo say, Omo say.
Coach is on so that na coach man.
O hwe nanim na.
Ba sa entwa we on. Say ye hwe na me num pa na nya me offer pa. We also almost suspending from playing football.
And I just say referee hwe nanim call man card. Eti wo hwe da ye nanim say gwanyo face na be referee kwa hwe nanim kwa wo say
because etwa we pa there. Na me adom na me di sika shaklo na aklo ya ko bo Chelsea na ko bo Manchester. Send the red card and kwa match bi red card.
O fast we di we di.
O be ko fa e.
We di akantera krama.
Misi me ko ka chen say me ne ma me di nkomo. Be say ye man jai striking no. Onya striker bi.
No ye dey.
Be say ye man ye defender. Because they try the defenders later.
Defenders okura bo say defenders abakura me hu twa we bi da.
Try with the Sergio Ramos mo grant me ntwa. Debi.
Twa mo in a professional way twa ye huri tale wachi ehiri woto.
Akwani to me say hey akwala ka fon wo.
Utimi sorry bio. Na no akantera bebo amane wasi ohun.
Sir.
Any father.
Enre nyumre no.
Ai.
Ene na ona me.
Oh, wasi na ona barrier ho baby.
Ah, hwana na yenso na.
Nti ofre father kra.
Akantera.
Bisa father so say yampa.
Sir, ene me de wen ene me hu no.
Oh, hu mo. Alen, o kam.
Like me just me hu.
Ah, wo hu no. Ono wo say na ni ekurokuro ni e fast. Eti nka wo hu mo na bibi body anka wo bo amane am ne nka mabeka.
So unza me so me father ye na ma business nko.
Ya banti no eno de ma no kwada baby na de business.
Sikasem nko.
De hu sikasem a.
Me father na ma sikasem nko.
O de why?
Father.
Say na beli keke kan.
Beli keke kan but me father na ma sikasem.
Enam se enye wo ne father nkwa ne na.
Na beli keke kan minim. But me na me kan say me father na ma sikasem.
Ti father Dixon no nkwa de sa o.
Ti na me kan. Say me ne na ma is kasem.
O ne father na ma.
Exactly.
Is wo kwabna.
Me ne father na ma.
Wo ne father na ma. Is kasem. Is mo se mu no modwin bombo. Mo na anti bom.
Ai. Da be kebia. Da be kebia.
Nti wo ne father Dixon won.
Ai. Yenama. Na ka yenama ka den yenam. Enye skantin yenam. Skana.
Ayo, me ne hweka.
Skana. Ntana pa na at the power people say me say, what do I need for Christmas? Up to now me ntimi answer question.
Hey! Na dia na nka wo beka. Because wo sika na boost.
Na ka say me nim dia me pe o.
Sawa ho.
Ya me pe on. Also me posting pa bo abi wo me status. I think Sandra Sandrich. Versace. Then me pay. Me check it in the board. It was enjoy no to one.
Me so I can say.
But mintimi and reply. Question, yes. I don't know.
Now what?
I need for Christmas. Me I don't know. Me need them for Christmas.
Oh, and me I think what did that do?
Now open them for Christmas.
Me ana. Me pempa boy na.
Pempa boy.
Pempa boy me dem pempa boy bi aye me profile picture WhatsApp.
Mami nkwana me nkwohwe sisia. Me nkwohwe sisia.
Sneakers.
Na say we wait the me tama. We the me tama. We ebe 120 or 150.
150.
150 me wa. We the me tama.
Eti toma me.
Me tama, we the me tama. We the say the boy nya den ade pa.
Toma.
Me tama.
Say 150 dey o skera.
Me tama. But me be where is this one? Where is this? Okay. Mpabano okay, anini. Oh,
okay.
Ti nebo ni ensu ni.
Pacho. Hey,
me akasa don't know what I need exactly for Christmas.
I can be so mani, mama ko anu tumboy. Etiefo ko prempa bowe. Hey, ewia ba bedi go. Kwamrabeka.
La governor wants me to go be.
Ade.
There say abenkwamo dey fine, but go be there.
Ani om ko prempa bowe be there.
Abenkwamo. Mama ka se njo hwe. Typical chimboy there. O survive I abenkwamo.
So.
What you say?
Na say abenkwamo no am sand bi sika ho na emu ayedu. Tuon. And you say to beans account.
Me di beans.
So tipo we ngwa do be di beans account.
Me di contomre di aben kwamo.
Sa. Eh.
Me di contomre.
Kwabra no. Buza bomo mu ne sa so e ka sa o.
Da udi aben kwamo onya ga.
O ya ga no to was 50 cities wa botifo.
Dey bo me 50 cities. O ya crown. What we. Me patron mami. But obi amra Facebook sisi a me ye free me sir. No, anade na beso che no. Ade abo me.
Me try dey wodi wan kasa do sika toy no na toy.
Then na me di me sika toy.
O na den.
Oh, Chalifa camera.
Ba ku ya me ku ya ma mo me di. Ba ku ya me no toy yi 15 cedis ya ho apol aboti wo.
Only matter what 15.
Aboti no ho no. Enye wo na odi ka ko toy ya.
And that one can say it twice.
Anasa mpa. Eje ni way. Ebusafo kwabena ko to watch ba osade po me bu aboti no. Me bunu me wie no do watch am 15 cedis. Hey! And e so entry me ka to watch ni bi.
That's and I don't kind of obi friend because yeah crown and jam san hotel. Can life mama. Me so.
Oh, me nya crown san etie.
Me so.
Asam no say fish wa hank obedi ma dance.
Na what was the fish no fish that na fish about watch.
Nursing wa hank obeka bi ama.
Watch.
Wa ma watch ko so kan ai, what's that?
Yeah, nursing watch.
Yeah. Ayi bi ya ehun na.
Why dey?
Chin bi ya.
Ade pa. Nursing watch black ne watching. Who ade black and watching.
Nya leather na nya nsa no. Nya na yi no. Be eyi na nkasa. O de ya hwe hu.
What's why am obi e uze uchantro?
Ade.
Castro. Why am obi e uze uchantro? Mama say when share
na wonu meba wonu say bra nurse na say wo kwa nkran no wo koye say kire ayi papa bi wo kan say tudu na papa na sesa shirt ne trousers na be dia man nurse o
say me who say o post o say I'm the CEO of then
papa ba cho nurse sika bia ne won advert bia ma eti sa mejo niema ko
what Castro D Black
oh I don't follow no gossip
na am so mi so be advert amano and o said that the ten I'm with the CEO there wo back crap to do yeah
obi am say come now you can buy something from Abochi which is correct than those in the stores
oh where dey ntisa wan pacho yanko
we dey make am sure that
eti oh won say watade wa Abochi obo no kwa say ontade wa
Abochi tie brofo no
wono si obetimi atade wa Abochi wo eye papa chain sai wo musa ba kwabra no so nji ntum se wato wo 15 cedis wa Abochi wo
na mato wo 15
cedis na woto e na be kan na mikoto obi na jenim so tobi
nti wo dey na akoto anyway
15
ewe he
media no mi hu na tira kwa
what
Brother Cynthia. I don't know what to say.
I lose 15. I don't want to 12. But so none of the chains are into plastic. I said rubber.
It's rubber.
It's 12 cities.
Almost 3 cities.
Sir.
What? Brother Cynthia. I'm watching Jack and Rabbit.
And then wait, but
Edwin say we GM. We there in game through and I'm watching.
Ebusafa when you na toy. The boy the kwanya na toy. Share
Facebook. Obi am share.
And on the toy.
We GM free o.
Kwabena.
We there in game through.
Nipa ya dia osaye ye won na ya men
send. We san boy we am you free.
Tie.
Almost then the cost wenji.
Me say.
Then the cost wenji.
E kan se ma men kan wi meba watch no na me so meka wo me so meka.
Akaya 10 minutes yanko.
Na udim. E kan say eno metna aka sa timwo anti wo mo ye demonstration wo ho. Ne demonstration wo mo ye opa ka tan se me boa.
Omo ye
demonstration no.
We the matter we me aka se manya fela no say omo say omo ye twema 1
month demonstration twemu 1 month na ye denti wo mo say assemblyman bi a wo ho no mo assemblyman wo ho no wa twemadi assemblyman na ya for mkombro nyai ade a ade da so no we ya ga
oh okay me ba
demonstration bra Facebook na ba atopati mebuno nkokora emrantie ne mne wa abenkwa amofo nyina dade omo wadim won so be bi eton abenkwa amo kese a wanti abenkwa amofo nyina de omo wadim ye demonstration
ma me we mini ye ko wanti mi hu otombis wo
bebi e kwato obi governor
minim no
ye o ti gali bebre no
na demonstration omo the spinners nya Hey, Shabo Bukromo.
Guy. Oh, demonstration.
Demonstration.
What the more? What the more? What was it?
What you had never frizo?
Almost say one quabla.
Okay.
Ebi say and chance dina. I infiem penny fuano. Ebesi womo so da sebre e kan say wose ewu hene. Na nasuma dunya ko apia agi womo di. Ese enti no womo hwetire na niema na womo ntemom na womo te niema na womo ante womo ne nadmofo ene assembly members no ne ese nadmofo kro de womo tabi de ko womo so ye wono mo afa assembly member ba ko so wono mo so wono kro de wakodidi meter wo ba wose meter na meter ye ba ho asem ye pinso no ono de meter ne say 100 cedis as 200 cedis na wate meter no so afwe wono kro asa so pa no asa so betwa light mu aka ho hu demonstration na wo ye yo eti demonstration etwemu sa 1 month ko pem se empenifo na wo nyama na besi omo so ene wo mo agibita wo sika no edie no wo mo nyina ebefia ba ansa na wo magai 1 month no so
sisi na omo ye tia assemblyman no
omo ye bia tia assemblyman no ene nadmofo ayemfie penifo assembly members nyina da wo mo age chance dan na do sika de nyina kan no wo mo nyina yese nyama na bobo ano ene ba akope
krom aye de
eti krom ano ewo so kwabra nyesa ye de eni bre na aba eni bre wo se meka bebeka wa se demonstration amafo be sha se ye demonstration wo pom a
true
eyi wati sasi you can say another da etwere so wo ebisiye eti abuboba a demonstration no
ba boys ni abru
na me say abuboba me kan me say abuboba
boys ni ahwe mpelifo nyi edi mu
mpelifo wo mbie spinners won kroma if na demonstration
on this spinners ba mo kroma chifo mo de ye ni abri demonstration mo de spinners dim Quang. Na say be gas money mbri.
Dey be so money mle.
What the one ya bra no spinners. Na say ye be ye de.
Unu say dabi. Spinners yo. Omo be use mic. Ti edi echenya na ekasa. Omo kasa.
Ti na me kire say. Me kire say woni abre pon say we demonstration. Da we dey say nice demonstration here. Asanya nkofo be twi solo ku je.
Solo ku be.
Ebi ahwema me no dey echiro no. O twi solo ku.
Dey also nim na nana.
And o ton beans no. Ono dey out teams on dey solo ku no be twi.
Beans na okoto de gali bebele no.
O me di beans am je gali jawa say.
Sa dan nyam no na di.
Da o ya no ube ma obi oni bia be hu say o twa ntro. Obi oni bia oni say di beans bia di say me di beans am fa gari.
Sa dan de Niska.
Castro D Black
and that's a call but and okay mama you serious for once
you serious
atopan e kamen kwan kan manya ni say ya
manya ni say
o say yet and the pan man yet na come o say na why gentle and o ba won so akasa nti akomate team akwanye so basa
ah
na mbe twa de papa adan ya so wo guess 3 ba ko peja wo hwe se waye basa
beni
ba ko pe no waye basa
waye basa
fada patro bibia boko adepa me boss na eremu no ono basika sem dia mini problem adepa ka for 4 minutes yanko
yankoi my yentie chane yen sori nko ye chia mama Florence
na float lo ya se mana mo to te se wo to ni ade de mo ba t-shirt e ba tene nsa no
oh ada de fi asese de nti ade wo de me compare nkofo ana
oh de bi sa o kamiensa o kamienu nti o ka ho na ye miensa woni barrister ni atwe
barrister ade kwapena edie ho a
munya de se
obua
tie okay tie ma me hye mo president na ye barrister ena mo vice ya atwe ena wo na wo ye senior minister
mate
barrister de mi ti barrister to pawale woni to pawale go pa
what we ran that sembia
fala oni bi adan ya pawale hwe
what
ma me ba ko no ba minimum no for da
we wonu no
no
minimum no mehwe na nim ye
meboa
minimum na fe na adwa kran
ba so da ha
ma mehwe na nim ye
na wo tell na go demonstration we
ofi wanchi oho na ofi wanchi pi ma mehwe na nim so no
ohe na ba wonya na ba ba di computer na chi o
ohe na ba de na wo ye
network
minimum na pa ofi wanchi epi
okay o se de ma me pa cho boss me pa cho good morning
kwabra yanko wa na de wa ye de wa here afi okura ntewe
boss good morning
mintio
me pa cho good morning
morning
me pa cho ho te say
adumo na nzo e
akopon do wa hwe me so me ho din sa sha wo fompa
e do ba de ase
me pa cho akomate ti ma wo ye basa say
yo akomate ho
nti dana ma wo ye basa sa because
me basa adama
what's your friend going to say gena Alefia.
My day.
Alefia nkwan na yoba.
Sana misi fa hunu.
Iti na wa basa sa. Me pa cho Alefia we de ye din kotodwe.
Alefia no
me yiwe firim. Ye din kotodwe ya pacho me pa cho. Me nya na ya basa ene kra ba nyu onu ni trim. Alba he we de kanu adopa.
Kwabla ye ko bete me hwe ho.
Tasembia ba. Castro.
Osi ubejuma nunu trim fabric here tin yese nunu trim na chalo oya fine boy ma oba anya osa oya de aka 3 yasa aka guess na 3 sana root kan yes oya osa aka guess na 3 yes